Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making some fried festivals. So these are a sweeter version of a fried dumpling, slightly different shape, with spice and a little bit of vanilla. So here we go. So to start with our ingredients, we have some plain flour, some cornmeal, some salt and sugar, some mixed spice, some vanilla, a little bit of butter and some water. So we're going to start off by making a dough. So to begin that, I'm just going to combine the flour and the cornmeal. Then we're going to add the mixed spice, the salt and the sugar. And finally the baking powder. So that's all the dry ingredients. We're just going to fold that through together so it's nice and evenly incorporated. Next, I'm going to add the butter and the vanilla. So I'm just going to rub in this butter so it's all absorbed into the flour mix. Once that's done, just going to gradually add the water. You want to bring it into a nice even dough. Shouldn't be too wet, shouldn't be too sticky, but easy to work with and easy to bring together. So this is all done. I'm just going to cover it now, leave it set aside for about half an hour, not too long, let the baking powder do its thing, and then we're going to get it ready to fry. So this is sat for a little bit. Now festivals are festivals because they have their special shape. So we're just going to divide this up and roll them into like sausage shapes, and then they'll be ready to fry. So these are all nice and evenly shaped. So I've just heated up some vegetable oil here, ready to fry these. As soon as the oil's hot, we're just going to place them in, keep turning them till they're nice and golden brown all over, and then they are done. nice and brown all over, and if you break inside you can see how lovely and light and fluffy they are. So these are perfect served by themselves with fried fish, Escovitch fish, which I have a recipe for and I will link above, or the classic jerk chicken, which I will be sharing a recipe for very, very soon. So that's today's recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, hitting the notification bell so you can know first when my videos drop. Other than that, peace and love until the next time.